In today's video, we're excited to demonstrate a lesser-known feature within the schedule palette, the capability to rearrange the columns. To accomplish this, simply click and hold on a column header, then drag it to your desired location. As demonstrated, this feature presents a valuable tool for users, enabling them to tailor their schedule tables according to their preferences and needs, thereby enhancing the overall functionality and user experience. This formatting will be automatically transferred to your schedule within the drawing as soon as you add or update them. Let me demonstrate how it appears now. As you can observe, the schedule in the palette directly corresponds with the schedule in the drawing, ensuring a seamless match. Thank you for choosing AddoSoft. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.